Hi, Dane. High frequency chaos army. So I'm going to debunk whistling in the woods. Okay. I'm at a ski hill right now. I'm all by myself. There's my scooter. Ding ding. And there is nobody else around me. Okay. It's like off the beaten path. Okay. I'm going to howl like a wolf. And I'm also going to whistle. So let's see what happens. Because nothing ever happens. It could be because I'm a ginger. And according to South Park, gingers don't have souls. But, I digress. So let's start with the howl. I wouldn't want to mess with me if I was on the recipient end. I'm not a good whistler, but I'll try my best. I have had wolves or coyotes howl back at me, which is like super cool. But nothing's ever whistled at me. We are the chaos. Love you.